Come test drive the 2017 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.